Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the member on the concept photo on the RHYTHM HIVE application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the My Profile section at the lower left corner of the screen. And tap to the Change Concept button. Tap to the Performance Card option and tap to again the Concept Photo section. And new here you can find more photo for Jin, Sugar, J-Hope, Jimin, V, Jungkook, and more. And just select one and tap to the select button and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.